Welcome everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your Google Chrome downloads folder. So first off, I'm going to load up Google Chrome. Then we want to navigate to these three dots right here in the right corner. Left click on it and then we select settings. Now here all you have to navigate to is the downloads tab right here. Left click on it and it says location right here. So obviously all we need to do is click on change and then select the folder which you want your Google Chrome downloads to go to. So I've created a separate folder for this very occasion in my D drive, Google Chrome downloads, and then we just press on select folder. So yes guys, this is all you have to do. Make sure you start Chrome after that and you should be good to go. All of your downloads will now be sent to that folder which you just selected. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.